Maruti Suzuki is currently the leading manufacturer in terms of selling CNG vehicles. They have the most number of CNG vehicles in their lineup. They have the Eco, Espresso, Celerio, Wagoner and Ertiga. For commercial vehicles, they Tour S and Super Carry. Now it seems that Maruti Suzuki will be expanding their CNG lineup by introducing a CNG version of Dzire. It seems that Maruti Suzuki will be expanding their CNG lineup by introducing a CNG version of Dzire. A new test mule of Dzire with an massive testing kit was recently spied. The launch of the Dzire CNG is expected to happen around January 2022. From the pictures, we can see that the rear suspension is bogged down, which means there is quite a bit of weight on the rear tires. This can be because the CNG tank is fitted in the boot. This will decrease the boot space by few liters. A stock Dzire has a boot capacity of 378 liters. No other changes can be seen from the pictures. It is not known which engine will be used by Maruti Suzuki for the CNG version of the Dzire. The new Dzire comes with a 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine. It is a naturally aspirated engine that produces 90 PS of maximum power and 113 Nm of peak torque. We have not yet seen this engine is paired to a CNG system, so it would be interesting to see how well does the engine behave when it is running on CNG. So there is a very high chances that Maruti Suzuki will be using the previous 1.2-liter naturally aspirated engine that used to produce 83 PS of maximum power and 113 Nm of peak torque as CNG. Maruti Suzuki says that they tune the chassis and suspension setup to handle the additional weight. They also work on the braking system because the additional weight can mess up the braking of the vehicle. The manufacturer also crash tests and evaluate the vehicle after the CNG system has been installed. The wiring inside the vehicle is integrated with the system wiring so that there are no chances of a short circuit. The pipes and joints that Maruti Suzuki is using are of a stainless steel so that they do not leak or corrode. There is also a switch that has been installed to ensure that the vehicle does not start during the CNG filling process. The SCNG vehicle also comes with auto switch, which helps in easily and installing switching between fuel options. The manufacturer also continues to offer a warranty if you get the factory fitted CNG. There is a dedicated CNG gauge to monitor the CNG level just because like you have your fuel gauge. Diesel coming back. Maruti Suzuki is also working on reviving its 1.5-liter diesel engine, which was killed because of the BS6 engine emission norms. The engine will first debut with the Ertiga in January. Then it is expected to be showcased with the Vitara Brezza, and it will find its way to Ciaz. Other manufacturers' CNG vehicles. Hyundai also offers some of their vehicles with a factory fitted CNG. There is Aura, which is a direct competitor to the Dzire. Then there is the Santro, which is a budget hatchback, and Hyundai also offers the Grand i10 Nios with CNG. For commercial buyers, they have kept the Accent Prime. Tata is also working on CNG versions of the Tiago and the Tigor. Both the vehicles have been spied when they are waiting in a queue at a CNG station.